Welcome. Today, I'll walk you through a super simple way to quickly remove a React from a channel message in the Telegram app on your PC using the latest update. We all know how easy it is to drop a React on a message, but sometimes you tap that emoji just a bit too fast. Maybe you changed your mind, or maybe you just want to keep things tidy in your favorite Telegram channel. Either way, removing your reaction is now easier than ever. Let's get started. First things first, open up the Telegram app on your computer. If it's already running, make sure you're logged in so you can jump straight to your channels. Next, head over to the channel where you need to clean up your reactions. Just scroll through your chat list, click on your chosen channel, and you're in. Now, find the specific message you reacted to. Sometimes that means doing a quick scroll. Sometimes you know exactly what you're looking for. The new update makes reactions really easy to spot, thanks to those colorful emoji icons right below each message. Here's where the magic happens. Move your mouse over to the emoji. Yep, that little react sitting underneath the message you picked. Go ahead and click on it. In the new update, one click is all it takes. Your reaction will instantly disappear, no extra steps or confusing pop-ups. It looks clean, and you don't have to worry about cluttering the message with unintentional emojis. Let's recap those steps. Open Telegram, jump into your channel, find that specific message, and just click on your react. That's it. You've quickly removed a reaction in seconds. This feature is a small change, but it makes managing messages and keeping your chats neat so much easier. So next time you want to change your mind, don't stress. Just follow these steps and keep your Telegram experience smooth and simple. Thanks for watching.